Last time we were discussing about how you can use universal NAND gate and make different other logic gates like NOT, AND, OR and XOR using NAND gate only. So the very first we will verify NOT gate, or we will verify the construction of NOT gate using NAND gate, and it's pretty simple that you have to just short the two inputs and check the output. For that, I already have a NAND gate IC which is connected on the breadboard. This is ground, the 7th pin, and the 14th pin is connected to VCC. Okay, so that part I have already done. Now what we have to do is, the very first step is to short the two inputs. So I will be using the very first gate. Remember the pin diagram. Pin number 1, 2 are the inputs. So I will short these two. Means I will connect the two using same wire. So this is 1 and 2, both are shorted. Then what I'll do is, I will take an output from pin number 3. Okay, so this is my output point where I will have to put the probe of multimeter and check what is the voltage. And now I can give input to either pin number 1 or 2 because these both are shorted. So I will just connect my input wire to, let's say, pin number 1. So it is both same now. Pin number 1 and pin number 2 are both short. So it's same. Let us check whether the IC is on or not. So you see over here that the voltage our IC is getting at pin number 14 with respect to pin number 7, which is ground, is 5.10 volt. So our IC is on. On this side I have 5 volt, on the other side I have 0 volt. So first check by giving input equals to 0. So if I connect my input to 0, then remember the logic we did in the theory class. If I check what is the input, so the input I am giving is 0.00, and what is the output which I am getting? I am getting 5.19 as output. So 0 was the input, you have got 1 as output. आप ये note कर लीजिए. When you were giving 0 as input, you have got 1 as output. Fine. The other thing which is to be verified is that when we will give 1, we should get a 0 as well. Otherwise, that will not be counted as a NOT gate. It should work for both inputs. For 0, it should give 5 volts. For 5 volts, it should give a 0. So now I have given 5 volts to the input. You can check over here. This is 5. Then the other pin should also be 5. And the output is 0.00. So when I am giving input is equals to 5.20, I'm getting an output which is 0.00. So that's like a NOT gate. So we have indeed verified the hardboard realization or verification of the constructed NOT gate using NAND gate. Okay. So next we will discuss how you can make AND gate using NAND gate. So here at the bottom of the screen you see how you can make AND gate using NAND gate, and this is pretty simple, that you have to take the output of first NAND gate and then feed it into another NAND gate with shorted inputs, which is working as now a NOT gate. Okay? So on the breadboard also we will do the same thing. सबसे पहले we have pin number 1. I'll be using pin number 1 as my input. So this blue wire is saying that this is my first input. Then I have another input, the second input. Okay, so these are the two inputs which I am having. Then I have my output which will be at pin number 3, but then I have to feed this output to some other gate. So यहाँ से हमने लिया और नीचे pin number 4 और 5 भी inputs होते हैं, तो I have fed the output to that gate. लेकिन उस gate के जो दो inputs हैं, it means pin number 4 and pin number 5 are to be shorted because we have to utilize this as a NOT gate. So this becomes pretty complex, but anyways, yeah. we have done it. So this is the shorted part. This is the input which I am taking in from the output of the first two, and the final output which I will get is, or I'll verify it from, do we have a y? No, we don't have, from this particular point. Okay, so this is going to be my final output. Now let us verify. Pehle we will give 0 0. So giving 0 0 means I have to connect this one, the first input, to ground. I also have to connect the second input to ground. So when I have given both inputs as 0, let us check. I have given pin number 1 0.00 volts, and to pin number 2 also I have given 0.00 volt, and the final answer which I'll be getting. So I'm not pretty interested in the intermediate answers, I'm only interested in the final answer. So this seems that we broke it. Let me just connect it like this. The earlier wire I connected was broken actually. We have to really take care of these things. Okay, so now I have shorted the two, and let's check. The input is 0 and 0, and the output is 0. So you note that when we are giving two inputs as 0, we are getting output as 0. Now let me make one of the input as 1. Okay, so now you note you have 0 as input, 5.22 as input, and as an output what you are getting is 0.00. So 0, 5 pe bhi you are getting 0 as output. Now let us flip it, because we have to try and check and verify all the combinations. So now I have given 5 volts to pin number 1, you can check, and it is 0.00 volts to pin number 2, and the answer which I am getting is 0.00 volts. Okay, so for 50 also you are getting a 0, and now we are left with only the last option, which is giving both values to be 5. So let us do that. So this is 5 volt, and another one I'm also making 5 volts. So आप input देखिए, your A is 5.22, your B is 5.22. So you are given both inputs as 1 or 5 volts, and your output is 5.22. So that means you have actually made an AND gate out of NAND gate. So that's how you will also have to do in your exam. Fine. Next on our hit list will be making an OR gate using NAND gates. So now the third part, we have to make an OR gate using NAND gates, or two input NAND gates. So the very first thing you are looking at over here is that input A is given to a NAND gate but with both inputs shorted. So सबसे पहला NAND gate we have at pin number 1 and 2, which are working as inputs for first gate. So what I'll do is I'll short the two. So I've shorted pin number 1 and 2. Then what we need is we have to short another NAND gate. So दूसरा वाला जो NAND gate है, that starts from when? The second NAND gate starts from this portion, 4 and 5. So this we have at 4 and at 5, right? So that too also I have shorted. Then what we have to do is, so let me just also introduce my input pins. So input pin mein you can give input to 1 or 2 either, because both are shorted anyways. This is not going to get it. Yep. And to pin number 4 or 5 में से आप किसी को दे सकते हैं. So I've given to pin number 4. Now you have to take the outputs of these two and feed it into another NAND gate. So पिन गेट नंबर 1 जो है which is comprising of pin number 1, 2 and 3. So this is pin number 1, this is pin number 2 and this is pin number 3. यहाँ से we have to take in the output और उसे किसी और NAND gate के input में डालना है. So we have another at 8, 9 and 10 where 9 and 10 acts as input. So I feed it in pin number 10 and the output of the second one I'll feed into pin number 9. Okay, so that's it, and the final output I'll get from pin number 8. Done. So now this is quite comparatively complex than the other two which we have done, the NOT one and the AND one. But जो circuit आप बनाएंगे that should be very neat. It should be visible to you and you could make corrections if needed easily. Otherwise, if it is like a bunch of wires only, ICs hidden, ICs not visible, then you may not be able to correct if some errors come up. So let's begin. What I have to do is to just give inputs. So सबसे पहला set है giving 0 0 to both the inputs. So this is 0 and this is 0, and let us measure. I'm giving 0 to pin number 1 and to pin number 4 also I am giving 0. So 0 0 is the input, and let us check the output. The output is 0. So when I'm giving 0 0 as input, I'm getting output to be 0 volts. Fine. Now let us change one of the inputs. So I'll keep this one as 0 and I'll change this one to 5 volts. Okay, so at pin number 1 I have 0 volts, but at pin number 4 I have 5.21 volts. You please note it down. And finally, after doing all जो आपको नीचे screen पे construction दिख रहा है, after passing the outputs to another NAND gates and then finally taking the output, what we are getting is this 5.21 is the final voltage. So 0 1 करने पे I'm getting 5.21. And let us flip the inputs. 1 0 की बजाय अब 0 1 देकर देखते हैं, या 0 1 की बजाय अब 1 0 देखते हैं. So my pin number 1 is 5.21 volts. My pin number 4 is 0.00 volts, and you see what is the output. The output is 5.21. So for 0 0 it was 0, for 0 1 it was 5, for 1 0 it was 5. For an OR gate to be correct, what we need is कि अगर हम 1 1 दें या 5 5 वोल्ट दें दोनों पे तो भी 5 आना चाहिए. ठीक है. So for that I just have to connect this also to 5 volts. Okay, so this should be neat. I'm using long wires deliberately so that IC के ऊपर से कोई वायर ना जाए, otherwise there will be complications if you have to make some corrections. So I have given 5 volts to pin number 1, 5 volts to pin number 2. So when you are writing in your file, please note the exact value. If it is 5.20, write 5.20. If it's 5.21, write 5.21. Don't write 5 volts ho gaya, 0 ho gaya. Okay, and then the final output is 5.21. So this finishes, this verifies that we have constructed a 2-input OR gate using 2-input NAND gates. और यहाँ कितने gates use करने पड़े हमें? 3. तो एक छोटी सी trick है. When I was doing my graduation, I remembered that 7400 is NAND gate. Okay, 7400 is NAND gate. So let me just explain it to you on pen and paper. It would be much easier for you to understand that. So what we have is this, that 7400 is NAND gate. This is scratchy sound. I don't know. I just want to get rid of this. Okay, 7400 is your NAND gate. NAND से सबसे पहले only using one NAND you made a NOT gate और जिसका की IC नंबर होता है 7404. ओके, आप chronologically देखिएगा, ये देखिएगा कि how does it increases, although it has no logic at back of it, but just to remember things, just to make things like you can mug it up easily, I'm just sharing this trick with you. Then we use two NAND gates in order to make an AND. So it has got a number 7408. There is no trick in between, okay? Just remember कि किस IC को कौन सा नंबर देना, यहाँ से ये ट्रिक लग जाएगी. फिर हमने और ज्यादा गेट यूज किए. We use 3 NAND gates in order to make an OR. तो इसका है 7432. तो नंबर देखिए कैसे बढ़ता जा रहा है. Fine. And when you will have 4 NAND gates, you will make an XOR out of it. Only 2 of you replied. जो लास्ट टाइम आपको क्वेश्चन दिया था कि XOR कैसे बनेगा, अगर वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो व्हाट्सएप कर दीजिए. केवल 2 लोग चाहते हैं कि I'll feel satisfied on making these videos. बाकी तो कह रहे हैं कि okay, it is running, let it run the way it is running. You are hardly interested in it. So when we have 4 NAND, we have to make XOR gate, you will use 4 NAND gate and therefore the number is 7486. So you see the number of NAND gates increasing and the IC number increasing. So I don't know whether this is spurious or there is some sense in it, but that's how I remember IC number. And I, in a way, after remembering IC number, I also got to remember, okay, if there was a single NAND gate, I have to make an NOT gate, just have to short the inputs. And these shorted inputs now working as what? A NOT gate. And if I take NOT of AND, यानी NAND के output का NOT ले लूँ, NOT of NAND I should say, then I will get an AND gate. 2 use करेंगे. Then you will use 3 for OR or 4 for XOR. Now, before moving ahead, we have to also discuss how you can make a 2-input XOR gate using 2-input NAND gate. और कितने use होंगे जो आपने देखिए यहाँ पे, you will use 4. Let us do that. So the circuit diagram goes something like this. I can utilize this portion only. So it goes something like this. You have a NAND gate, you have another NAND gate, you have to draw a NAND gate here, and you also have to draw a NAND gate like this. And this is pretty simple. What you have to do is to just give inputs to this, you have to give output to this, the final output will come from here. Okay, you see, then you have to give input to this, and that input is actually coming as a shorted input to this previous one. Okay, so let's say this is A and this is B, and this is our output. I will use 4 different colored pens for 4 different combination of inputs which we can have. So I have, let's say, black pen or not? Yeah, we have that. So let us begin with giving a 0 and a 0. Okay, तो अगर मैंने यहाँ 0 दिया और यहाँ 0 दिया तो it means कि इस गेट के दोनों इनपुट्स आर 0, और अगर NAND के दोनों इनपुट 0 हैं then what should be the output? इसका जो आउटपुट होगा वो होगा 1. Fine. So for this gate you are having 0 and 1. So here also you are having 0 and 1. Fine. So इसका इनपुट हुआ 0 1. अगर 0 और 1 इनपुट है NAND का तो आउटपुट आएगा 1. Similarly, अगर 0 और 1 इनपुट है NAND का तो आउटपुट आएगा 1. और अगर 1 1 इनपुट है इस फाइनल NAND का तो आउटपुट क्या आएगा आपका? Your output will be finally a 0. Because this is the only input when NAND goes to 0, 1 and 1. So we have verified that on 0 0 we are getting a 1. So let me write it over here. It is not visible, but I will write it over here that you have A, you have B, and you have out. So when both were 0, you were getting a 0. Fine. Now let us move on to some other combination. We call this as 0 and 1. So you have 0 and 1. So if this is 0, this is 1, then the output of this should indeed be 1 again. 1 0 1 1 पे output 1 आना चाहिए. Fine. Now this one will be having output 1 and 1, तो इसका output हो जाएगा 0. Okay. I'm using a red pen, so now ignore the black ones. And this one is having input 1 and 0, तो इसका output 1 ही रहेगा. So when you have 1 and 0 as final inputs, तो output क्या आएगा? When you have 0 and 1 in NAND, the output is 1. So when we gave 0 and 1, we got output as 1. Okay. Let us move on to another combination, which is if A is 1 and B is 0. If A is 1, B is 0, you will get again a 1 output over here. But now this time, this will be 0 and this will be 1. But that does not matter to this NAND gate. अगर एक 0 है input, एक 1 है input, so it will again give you 1. So you will again get on 1 0, 1 0, you will get 1 as output. Okay. So the only thing we are left with is to check what will happen if both are 1. If these two are 1, the blue ones, you see, then this input, this output will be 0. So now you have 1 over here, 0 over here, 0 over here, 1 over here. The output again is 1 because 1 0 ka output 1. So you have 1 over here, 1 0 ka output 1, you have 1 over here, or 1 1 ka output is 0. Okay. So when we are giving both as 1, we are getting output as 0. And this is nothing but our exclusive OR gate, XOR. Fine. So the circuit is quite complicated, but as you know that 7400 is having how many NAND gates in it? It is a quad IC, therefore it is having 4 NAND gates. So we can utilize IC7400 to make full IC. सारी pins use जाएंगी to make one 2 input XOR. Okay. तो ये efficient नहीं होगा, लेकिन there is a way of making an XOR gate out of a NAND gate. Okay. So we will do that. We will do the hardboard realization of it. So where it is? Yeah. I hope you have noted this down, the diagram. And now we'll come back to the hardboard realization. Let me just focus my work on it. So the very first thing I prefer my students to do or to start is when you have to make a new circuit out of already connected circuit, you just do one thing. Remove all prior connections. Let the IC and the main power switches, which is ground and VCC, be connected, and remove everything else. Okay, so I will take a small pause, और जो नीचे हमें OR gate from NAND gate दिखा है, I have to replace it to XOR gate from NAND gate. Okay, so here on the top of the screen you see a diagram similar to what we have already drawn. So you see that we have first 3 inputs. I should say first 3 gates जिनमें pair wise common होकर input जा रहा है. So you see A is going in 2 different NAND gates, B is also going in 2 different NAND gates. So we will have to first utilize this, or you have to first make this a bit clear that you have a gate over here. Fine. I am shorting the gate input to another gate. Fine. And also what I'm doing is I'm going to short the inputs of this gate itself to yet another gate. Okay. So you see now, this is, let's say, the starting one. The starting one is having two inputs, one going to, let's say, the second gate and the other going to the third gate, like this. Okay. Then the output of the first gate, it means this, the third pin, should go in the input of the second as well as the third gate. So we will have to take pin number 3 and take pin number 3 to input of the third gate, which is over here, and also to the input of the other gate. So these circuits become a bit complex to handle when you have very small wires. Okay, it is done now. And finally, the output of these two gates, ye wala or ye wala, should be fed in the other gate and the input should be made. So first of all, what I'll do is I'll take output from this gate over here and I will feed into the input of my final gate जिससे मुझे output लेना है. Okay, and the output of this gate यहाँ से जो हमें मिल रहा है, so by the way, this is a yellow wire I'm using and it will be over here. Yeah, fine. And the final output which I'll get will be from this gate. Okay, so this is what, or these are the connections which you have to make, and they should be neat. It's clear from here that I am having pin number 1 and pin number 4 shorted over here. आप note करते जाइए, pin number 1 and pin number 4 shorted. I am also having pin number 2 and pin number 10 shorted. So 1 and 4 is shorted, 2 and 10 is shorted. Then 3 is going to pin number 3 is going to pin number 5 as well as pin number 3 is going to pin number 8. Now the outputs which we are receiving, which is from pin number 6 and sorry, so the input of the first was going to the pin number 9 and the output is from pin number 8. So जो pin number 8 और pin number 6 से output मिल रहा है, we are feeding it to pin number, I should say, 12 and 13, and from the final output we are getting at pin number this is our pin number 11. Abhi, what we have done is we have not made any input connections. So अब दो wires और लगाने होंगे. First I'll make to this point. Okay, so this is what I am going to use as input wire, and another, for that I have to utilize a wire cutter. I'm running out of wires in this, so yeah, here we go. You see, so I've got a pointed end over here and the other input is at pin number 2. So pin number 1 और 2 पर ही input है अभी भी, but ये कई सारी जगह short हो गए हैं. So now what I'll have to do is पहले दोनों inputs को 0 किया जाए. Okay, let's do that. So my pin number 1, note कीजिए, what is the value? 0 volts. Pin number 2, what is the value? 0 volts. And final output, make sure I have not made any mistake in making the circuit, is also 0 volts. So on 0 volts you are getting 0 volts as output. Now let us make one of the inputs to be equals to 1 volts. So I'll keep pin number 1 at 0 and I'll make pin number 2 goes to high, which means at 5 volts. So let us check what is the voltage at pin number 1. So it is 0. Let me just see whether I have not shorted it. I'm shorting it perhaps. Yeah. So this is pin number 2, which is 5. This is pin number 1, which is 0 now. Okay, so you have to make sure when you are making complex connections, your wire should not short. This is a 0 volts, this is 5. And with this input, the output I'm getting is 5.22. Okay, so when I'm giving one as 0, one as 1, I'm getting 5 as output. Now let us change the voltage supplies to the different pins. So this time I'm giving 5 volts to pin number 1 and 0 volts to pin number 2, and the final output which I'm getting is 5.22 at pin number 11. Now the only last thing we have to check is to give 5 volts to both the inputs. So let me just draw this from here. Yeah. So now I'm giving 5 volts to pin number 1. It is 5.22 volts, and to pin number 2 also I'm giving 5.22, and now the output should be 0. You see, the output is 0. I'm connecting it, the output is 0. So we have verified XOR gate as well. तो ये सारे चार एक्सपेरिमेंट्स हमने किए कि NAND गेट से यूज करके कैसे नॉट गेट, AND गेट, OR गेट और XOR गेट बनाया जाता है. So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much all of you. See you next week.